Hello, welcome to the RANsquawk US morning briefing for today, 30th of July. European equities opening to the upside today, buoyed by good earnings from a stream of European companies. As such, the dollar index snapped a two-day winning streak, down 0.35% at last check as risk appetite increased. Dollar weakness underpinned the advance in WTI crude and aided the basic materials sector, which outperformed in Europe. T-notes, they moved lower as investors opted for high-yielding assets, and treasuries were also weighed upon by the extra supply coming to market today in the form of that 7-year $28 billion auction scheduled for later in the session. In terms of notable earnings, have seen quite a few US companies report today, most exceeding expectations. They're worth noting ExxonMobil reported lower than forecast Q2 EPS at 84 cents. However, revenue beat estimates, coming in at 74.46 billion for Exxon. Dow Chemical, they reported Q2 EPS at 5 cents, which exceeded estimates of a loss per share. In other news, the company is to sell Optimal to Petronas for $660 million. Elsewhere, Colgate-Palmolive beat on EPS, however revenue came in slightly lower than expectations. Elsewhere, other notable US equity news: Citigroup to sell its Nico assets for $1.26 billion to Sumitomo, and GE today upgraded to buy from neutral at Goldman Sachs, and McDonald's downgraded to equal weight from overweight. In terms of where we currently stand in the US after 10 minutes of trade, Dow Jones Industrial Average up around 0.9, S&P up around 1.24%, Nasdaq Composite up 1.16%, with basic materials, industrials and financial sectors leading the way in the S&P 500. So just looking ahead, we're looking out for the results of that $28 billion 7-year note auction, as well as the latest Fed outright Treasury coupon purchase.